In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under a legal aspect of business. So we're going to focus on the subtopic government regulation. We have about 18 to 20 questions practice. So let's get started. The first question here says, the overriding objective of the Food and Drug Act in Nigeria is to prevent the manufacturers of food and drugs from charging excessive prices, importation of food and drugs that can be locally manufactured, adulteration of food and drugs sold in the country, consumption of food and drugs not tested by the ministries of health. So the right answer is to prevent adulteration of food and drugs sold in the country. Option C. Next question says the coming together of consumers to protect their right is referred to as consumerism. Option C. Next question says an example of a consumer protection agency is the Nigeria Bar Association, no Federal Environmental Protection Agency, Nigeria Medical Association, Manufacturer Association of Nigeria. So the right answer is option B, which is Federal Environmental Protection Agency. Next question says the sole legal right held by the author to publish his book is a copyright. Option B. Okay, next question. The body charged with the responsibility of regulating food and drugs in Nigeria is the NAFDAC. Option D. Okay, very simple. Next question. The protection of consumers against exploitation by manufacturers is to ensure that they are varieties of products, increase in production capacity, increase in level of consumer awareness, that the right quality of goods and services. So the right answer is option D. Okay, the right quality of goods and services sold. Next question. It says which of the following is a function of consumerism? Making profiteering impossible, providing consumers needs, protecting consumers' rights, providing consumers choice. So the right answer is option C, protecting consumers' rights. Next question. The body which ensures that consumers are protected against harmful products in Nigeria is NAFDAC. Option D. Okay, next question. The difference between trademark and patent right is that the latter, which is patent, gives exclusive right to import a particular good, is conferred by the government, confers monopoly on a product, confers exclusive right to publish literary works. Right answer is option C, confers monopoly on a product. Next question is one. It says which of the following is not a right of a consumer? Right to save product, right to obtain replacement, right to a fair hearing, right to buy on credit. So the one that is not a consumer's right is option D, right to buy on credit. Okay, next question is this one. Say the activities of Consumers Association Nigeria have not been effective because the consumers have no medium for expressing their feelings. The government is not favorably disposed towards consumerism. The consumers are too many. There is poor enlightenment about consumer rights. The right answer is option D. There is poor enlightenment about consumer rights. Okay, next question. This one says the organized effort of consumers to protect themselves against the unfair practices of businessmen is known as consumerism. Option D. Option D. Okay, next question. This one says the primary objective of consumer protection law is to ensure that manufacturers of goods and services providers get optimum profit. Consumer buys goods and services at cheap rates. Manufacturers of goods and services manufacturers of goods and service providers overcome internal competition. Consumer derive maximum satisfaction from goods and services. So the right answer is option D. Okay, next question is this one. It says which of the following legislation aims primarily at the protection of consumers? So the right answer to this question is option B, Trade Description Acts. Okay, next question. Consumers require protection against exploitation to ensure increased aggregate demand, adequate consumer awareness, the sales of quality products, availability of product variety. The right answer is option C, to ensure the sales of quality product. Next question. The agency in Nigeria which ensures that products conform to government specification is the Standard Organization of Nigeria, SON, Nigeria Consumers Association, Nigeria Chamber of Commerce, Manufacturer Association Nigeria. The right answer is option A, SON, Standard Organization of Nigeria. Okay, next question. The first known legislation to protect consumer rights in Nigeria is the Usuri Law, Higher Purchase Act, Food and Drugs Act, Sale of Goods Act. The right answer is option C, Food and Drugs Act. Okay, next question. The most important piece of legislation governing business and commercial activity in Nigeria currently is the Companies Decree, Trade Dispute Decree, Companies and Allied Matters Decree, Banks and Other Financial Institutions Decree. So the right answer to this question is option C. Which is companies and our lead matters decree of 1990. The next question says, which of the following has power to order withdrawal of a particular food item from circulation? So it's simply the Food and Drug Department of the Federal Ministry of Health, like the NAFDAC. Option B. Okay, last question before we end this video. This one is says, the legal aspect of business is designed to encourage free exchange among businesses, protect infant industry from collapse, safeguard consumers from undue business practices, protect business organizations and consumers. The right answer is option D, to protect business organization and consumers. So guys, this basically can do problems involving government regulation in legal aspect of business. So practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this topic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response to ensure you're part of the JAMB membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting premium information that help you to extend exams like a JAMB and other exams you're writing. For having done this, click on the next below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.